Hope you are doing fine. I haven't made any videos again for a while. Just hasn't seemed to be anything to make videos about. I thought I was getting ready to because it was in the 60s and nice. I thought, wow, I'll be able to ride my motorcycle, but then my horse started getting out of the fence and tearing the fence down, so I had to work on the fence for about 3 days. So that pretty much took care of that warm weather for motorcycle riding. So now it's back cold again. So I gotta go to town and get horse feed and all that fun stuff, bunny rabbit food. So I thought I'd just make a quick video here since it's been so long. Just to let everybody know I'm still here. I just haven't been doing many videos, staying inside and getting a few things done there. Like I said, getting the fence fixed back up. I don't know why the horse decides she wants to be out. The grass is dead everywhere. I guess it's that freedom thing, and I can understand that right now. So anyway, I just wanted to say hello, and hopefully soon it'll warm up. I'm hoping I get to go to Florida pretty soon. So I know you'll get some videos after that. So I hope everyone is doing great and having a great day. Getting to stay in where it's warm. So I'll be talking to you soon. Bye-bye.